wrong with my computer? Anyways, yeah, Egypt project. As you can see the pyramid behind me, sort of. Don't know why you can't see it. There it is. Time to go find out what the heck it is. Yeah, it's a pyramid. A good one, too. Let's see about the report now. Now, it is square. They're a pyramid shape because they have to be for the soul to find its way all the way up to heaven. So they believed. I didn't actually I didn't find a square pyramid shape here because I could have used it for the whole thing to make it much easier. And this is the whole pyramid. Yeah. So this is the pyramid. An entrance would be like here, which then leads down into the Queen's Chamber about here. Then also from the main passage you can go up into the Grand Gallery, which is like a little bit right here, and then the King's Chamber, which is exactly in the middle, about halfway up. Below the King's Chamber is the Queen's Chamber, I think. Yeah. So the Queen and King's Chamber are very big. And that's really all there is to here. Also, yeah, I do have some sandstone with me in class today, so you guys should get to see what sandstone really looks like. If you were in Miss Ward's class last year, you did see my sandstone, limestone, and slate thing. Now this. Yeah, I may actually bring the use to make the pyramids. Oops, sorry. And great people live in here. The pharaohs. The pharaohs are mummified in the thing, in the pyramid. This is Khufu's pyramid in Egypt. King Khufu in one of the great pyramids of Giza. As you can see, I colored the sandstone correctly, and in the background you can actually see the sand. Yeah, inside it's completely hollow. If I jump up, you can hear the knocking sound of a hollow thing. Just kidding, can't. Pyramids have kings in there, and for the mummification they used embalming fluid and replaced the blood with embalming fluid. They took out the brain through the nose using a special hook and filled the head with sawdust, so the skull didn't crack. They wore burial masks so that if anything happened to the skull, if it cracked or anything, it wouldn't be noticeable. To the gods, they left the heart out. They left the heart in and took all the other organs out. Brain, and put them in canopy jars. So they, and yeah, why can't I say it right? The process took about anywhere from, it's just weird. Anyway, that's all for now, and thank you. As you can see, there's my webcam thing. Yeah, it's all weirdish. There's the webcam thing. I don't want to, stupid paradoxes. That's all for now, and I need to close this thing up so I can